local satellites, Pastor Reynaldo and Pastora Marvic Dacumos of JRFIM San Carlos, Pangasinan. Pastora Ana Linco of JRFIM Mangataren. Pastora Yuli Catugas of JRFIM Orbis Tondo. Pastora Ella Catugas of JRFIM Anuli. Pastor Ben Iquila of JRFIM Kabatlin. Pastor Nars Palolong of JRFIM Tayug. Pastor Ryan Boridor of JRFIM Novaliches. Pastor Rolando and Pastora Milaida Risuelo of JRFIM Ordaneta. Pastor Eds and Pastora Loila Cervantes of JRFIM Manawag. And Pastor Oscar and Pastora Elisa Alcaraz of JRFIM San Jacinto. Followed by the JRFIM coordinators and leaders. Sis Elinita Juco as our coordinator and Brother Jaime Gatandan as our assistant coordinator. Sis Evelyn Grace of Faithful Group. Sis Jennifer Espinilla for the Prayer Warriors. Sis Lisa Garcia for the Patience Group. Sis Rosaminda Santos for Peace Group. And Sis Jenaline Buduan of Goodness Group. Next are our worship team. Praise and glory to our awesome God for His marvelous power. For every life He brought here to be with us in this joyful celebration of His faithfulness and goodness in His ministry here in Jesus Reigns Forever International, Hong Kong. So let us remain standing for our national anthem.
Ilagay po natin ang ating kanang kamay sa ating bibig at sabay po natin awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Bayang magiliw, perlas na silanganan, alat ang puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simo